why most ClickBank affiliates fail. Why most people fail with ClickBank affiliate marketing and how to fix it in 2026. As you can see over here, I have had 2,345 US dollar a day, and over here 12,000 a week. And this is just one of my ClickBank accounts. Now I'm using different accounts from different niches. For example, weight loss, Nutra, personal development, info, digital products. Okay, so this is digital product. I love digital products, especially in January. 2026 is the best month every single year. Like for example, 2025, 2026, next year, 2027, January is the best month because there are New Year resolutions, New Year goals, and people are making buying decisions. They want to make New Year resolution about weight loss, the gym, about financial goals, also about, for example, golf, hobby niches, law of attraction, personal growth. It's really huge, okay? So you can see, this is why we're getting these kind of results very fast, very quickly. In 2026, if you want to have results with Google pay-per-click ads, all you have to do is connect with someone who can help you one-on-one, step-by-step along the way by hand-holding you, okay? And give you exact strategy that can help you to get results. So you can see this is my Instagram. I have my WhatsApp number, my Facebook Messenger, my email. You can see over here. There is the link in the description under this video. That's my Instagram. You can follow me or DM me there, but please only if you're serious, okay? If you want to have this kind of results, you see, I travel to 69 countries, thanks to affiliate marketing, thanks to ClickBank, okay? Promoting digital products and also physical products as well, okay? So what we do is basically, the reason why this works is because we do it one-on-one. Over the Zoom call, as you can see over here, we connect one-on-one. And what is the most important thing? Why this works is because marketing psychology. Okay, when we work together one-on-one, it's all about conversion, persona code, about loss aversion amplifier, all these bonuses you get and gifts when we work together one-on-one in 2026. Okay, because the truth be told, honestly, all it takes is one offer to set you free in 2026. One product that is proven to work, the right psychology of ads, the right strategy and structure, fundamentals, and you'll be able to start making 100, 250, even 500 US dollars a day. Okay? So all it takes is one Google ad or Facebook ad campaigns or even TikTok to get you the results. In this case, we are using Google pay-per-click ads. Okay? So you can get results. Why Google? Because it's all about solution-seeking audiences. They're already looking for the solutions to their pains and problems. And that's why, my friend, you can get results because people are actively searching for the solutions on Google. You don't have to believe me. Go and Google it right now as you watch this video. You'll see how many people are looking for solutions. Okay? And you could be one of those smart affiliates on ClickBank who could put your Google ad with text without making any videos, without showing yourself on camera. 20 to 30 minutes a day, you could do this and have at least, I don't know, 250, 350 US dollars a day extra besides your 9 to 5. So if you want to have results, you can connect with me one-on-one, okay? As I said before, here you have my Instagram, WhatsApp, email, and Facebook Messenger, all in the description below under this video.